Hello! So ngayon nandito kami sa Clark.
10K today.
10K today.
5K
Ngayong midnight.
easy run zone 2, then 5K around tempo. Para lang medyo mabuild yung aerobic ulit.
Ano bang oras? Time check.
Another 1 AM run.
1 AM run.
Dynamic warm up before you start your run. Tapos static after. Medyo yung kulay ko.
Kulay mo nga.
Nakita ako. So again, run for tonight, 10 kilometers. First 5K, zone 2. Second 5K, try natin mag-progressive negative splits.
Ready?
3,
2,
1, start.
start. Oh, nakaka-start lang. Okay, 1 kilometer in, pace 8:02. Nasunod yung plan nating pace. How are you feeling, guys?
We're feeling good.
We're feeling good.
4 more kilometers for our easy run.
Okay,
Let's go!
let's go! Kilometer 2, 8:01.
8:01.
Still, tama yung pacing natin. And mukhang hindi na huminga yung isa pero
Tama.
hindi, kaya niya ba? Sasalita pa siya. Tahimik lang siya. Yan.
See ya 3 kilometers. Let's go.
Let's go! Perfect 8:00 pace.
Yes sir.
Tama. We're holding it. Guys, come on!
Let's go.
Let's go!
3 kilometers.
Kaya pa natin to, guys.
Yeah.
4th kilometer, 8:01.
Another 8:01, another good pace.
Another good pace.
Ang ganda ng pace ko. And then, pace namin, pacing.
Pace,
Ilan?
8:04.
8:04 sa'yo? 8:04.
8:04.
What's up? Okay, 5 kilometers done. Yung pang 6 natin is 7:30. So try natin bilisan. Up it up a notch. Let's G.
Let's go! 6 kilometer,
Ilan?
7:28.
Good pa rin.
Good
Medyo-
pace. Kasi yung
Nasa
gusto
good.
natin is 7:30. Nasa range.
Yeah.
7 kilometer, 7:30. On the dot.
Ito maliban.
Ano ba siya?
3 kilometers na lang. Next is 7 pacing. So bilisan natin ng 30 seconds. Let's go.
Let's go! 8 kilometer in, 7:01 yung pace.
7:01.
Let's do it!
6:30 next pace.
6:30 next pace.
Let's go.
Let's go. 9 kilometer,
Ilan? Nandiyo ba siya? Ilan?
6:28.
6:28.
Pasok sa goal. Guys, 10 kilometers.
10
Done.
kilometers. First 5 kilometers easy. Then nag-progressive run kami sa huli.
Ah.
Around 7:30, 7:37, 6:30 tapos nag-5 something. Okay
Ah.
naman. It's a good run.
Good run.
Combination of easy and tempo to improve your aerobic zone. Tapos static stretch. Ha?
Post run, stretching. Cool down. Nag-cool down walking din tayo after ng 10 kilometers. So guys, we're good.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.